Have you ever wondered why some people in their 70s and 80s still walk with steady steps, climb stairs without fear, and keep their sharp memory, while others struggle with weakness, cramps, or constant fatigue? Here is the hidden truth: it is not always about exercise or supplements. The secret may be sitting quietly on your dinner plate, overlooked and underestimated. Science has revealed that certain vegetable proteins contain unique compounds that can reawaken the body's natural ability to build and preserve muscle, even when age seems to slow everything down. These are not powders. They are not expensive capsules. They are real foods, familiar, affordable, and more powerful than most people realize. And here is the part that should keep you watching closely. The number one food on this list is so rich in protein and amino acids, it could replace eggs entirely, and in some ways, it is even better. If you stop watching before the end, you will miss the most important discovery that could protect your muscles, energy, and independence in later life. So let us uncover these powerful plant proteins, one by one. Each food is more than just nutrition, it is a key to strength, mobility, and confidence after 70. Number 9, okra, the digestive protector of strength. At first glance, okra looks humble, almost ordinary. But inside this green pod lies something extraordinary, a natural system that helps your body unlock the true power of protein. A cup of cooked okra gives you about 2 grams of protein, but here is the hook: its value is not in the number, it is in what it does. Okra contains soluble fiber and mucilage, that thick gel-like substance that gives it its unique texture. These compounds soothe the digestive tract and strengthen the gut lining. Why is this so powerful? Because protein only benefits your muscles if your body can absorb it fully. Many older adults eat protein-rich meals, yet still lose muscle because their digestion is weakened. Okra acts like a gentle healer, improving absorption so that every bite of protein, from beans, nuts, or fish, works harder for you. That is only the beginning. Okra also fights silent muscle destroyers, inflammation and oxidative stress. With antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenol, it shields muscles from the hidden wear and tear that steals your energy day by day. Its potassium and magnesium help muscles contract smoothly, easing cramps and preventing that heavy, dragging sensation in the legs. Here is where the story becomes personal. In many traditional households, grandmothers served okra broth when someone felt weak or tired. It was not just comfort food, it was medicine disguised as a meal. For seniors today, okra remains a quiet friend, helping restore independence and strength in the most natural way. Cook it gently in stews, steam it with garlic, or roast it until crispy. However you enjoy it, okra is not just food, it is a foundation for stronger muscles. Number 8, asparagus, the silent stabilizer. When most people think of asparagus, they imagine a side dish. But hidden inside these green spears is a nutrient that could mean the difference between steady steps and shaky legs. That nutrient is choline. Think of it as the messenger that allows your brain and muscles to communicate. Every time you reach for a glass, walk across the room, or climb a stair, choline is working. When levels run low, signals falter. That is when steps feel uncertain, hands tremble, or reaction times slow down. By adding asparagus, you keep that communication line strong, which means smoother movements and steadier balance. And it does not stop there. Asparagus delivers folate and vitamin E, which improve blood flow and cell repair. Stronger circulation means oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles more efficiently, leaving you with more energy and less fatigue. Here is the hidden gem: asparagus is one of the richest sources of glutathione, often called the master antioxidant. It acts like a shield protecting muscle fibers from daily damage. In simple terms, asparagus helps you not only move better today, but also protect your muscles for years to come. Steam it, roast it, or fold it into an omelet. Each spear is like a guard, watching over your muscles, balance, and energy. Number 7, Brussels sprouts, the framework builder. Brussels sprouts may be small, but inside these tiny green buds is a powerhouse of protection. A cooked cup carries about 4 grams of protein, but the real strength comes from the nutrients that fortify the very framework of your body. First, vitamin C. Your body uses it to make collagen, the connective tissue that keeps muscles, tendons, and ligaments flexible. Without it, recovery slows, joints stiffen, and movements become painful. Next, glycosylate's unique compounds that reduce inflammation, the slow-burning fire that erodes muscle tissue and damages joints over time. And do not forget vitamin K. It strengthens bones and improves the signals between nerves and muscles. The result? Steadier steps, better posture, and fewer dangerous falls. Here is a simple truth: falls are one of the greatest threats to independence in later life. By protecting your balance and joint health, Brussels sprouts become more than food. They become a shield against one of the biggest risks of aging. Roast them until golden, drizzle with olive oil, or pair them with walnuts for even more strength. Brussels sprouts may be bite-sized, but their protection is mighty. Number 6. Broccoli, the silent shield. Broccoli might be the most underestimated vegetable of all. A serving carries 2.5 to 3 grams of protein, but its real value lies in sulforaphane, a compound scientists have studied for years. Sulforaphane reduces hidden inflammation, the invisible enemy that chips away at strength with age. Think of it as an inner shield, protecting muscles from wear and tear. Broccoli also delivers vitamin C for collagen, vitamin K for balance, and folate for strong bones. And its fiber keeps blood sugar stable, feeding healthy gut bacteria that make nutrient absorption easier. Building muscle is not just about protein intake. It is about creating the right environment for protein to work. Broccoli does exactly that, making it one of the most underrated allies for long-term strength. Steam it bright green, roast it for crunch, or blend it into a soup. Every serving builds invisible protection for your muscles and joints. Number 5. Kale, the resilient green. Kale often gets called a superfood, and for once, the label is accurate. One raw cup provides about 4 grams of protein, but its impact is far greater. Kale is loaded with vitamin K, which directs calcium to your bones and muscles, strengthening them where you need it most. It also carries vitamin C for collagen production, ensuring your muscles stay flexible and less prone to injury. But here is the rare treasure: alpha-lipoic acid, a powerful antioxidant found in only a few vegetables. It protects muscle cells from oxidative stress, the gradual damage caused by aging. In other words, kale slows down the clock on muscle wear. Add to this magnesium, calcium, and potassium, and you have a trio that regulates muscle contractions, eases cramps, and restores energy. Kale may feel tough to chew raw, but massage it with olive oil, sauté it, or blend it into smoothies, and you will discover its hidden strength. It is not just another green, it is your resilience on a plate. Number 4. Spinach, the energy switch. Spinach delivers 3 to 5 grams of protein per serving, but what makes it remarkable is magnesium. Magnesium is the on-off switch for muscles. Without enough, contractions falter, cramps increase, and recovery slows. Spinach also carries natural nitrates, which open blood vessels and boost circulation. That means more oxygen reaches your muscles, giving you lasting stamina for everyday activities. Hidden in its dark green leaves are lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that not only protect your eyes but also fight inflammation throughout the body. The result? Stronger muscles, less fatigue, and a body that resists silent decline. Toss spinach into scrambled eggs, soups, or sauté it lightly. Pair it with vitamin C foods like tomatoes, and suddenly its iron becomes easier for your body to use, lifting your energy even higher. Spinach is not flashy, but it is a steady foundation for lifelong strength. Number 3. Mushrooms, the cellular protector. Mushrooms may not look like protein champions, but once cooked, they deliver 3 to 5 grams per 100 grams, plus an impressive range of protectors. They bring B vitamins to turn food into steady energy, selenium to defend joints and muscles, and unique compounds like ergothioneine and beta-glucans. These act as cellular guardians, calming inflammation and supporting brain health. For seniors, this matters. Balance and coordination are just as important as raw strength. Mushrooms help with both, keeping you steady, confident, and active. Sauté them with garlic, add them to soups, or roast with herbs. Simple, quick, and powerful for body and mind. Number 2. Green peas, the muscle activator. Here is where the story changes. A single cup of peas delivers nearly 8 grams of protein, but what sets them apart is leucine. This amino acid is the very trigger that tells your body, build muscle now. As we age, our bodies become less responsive to protein. But peas deliver a clear, strong signal that keeps muscle synthesis active. On top of that, They bring vitamin K, folate, and fiber, supporting circulation, digestion, and joint health. Think of peas as the green spark that reignites your body's ability to build and maintain strength. Add them to soups, mash them with herbs, or toss them into stir-fries. Simple, but incredibly powerful. Number 1. Morina leaves, the forgotten super green. Finally, the hidden champion. Across Asia and Africa, morina leaves have been treasured for centuries. Modern science now confirms why. Fresh morina leaves deliver close to 9 grams of protein per 100 grams. More importantly, this protein is complete, containing all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine. That makes morina one of the most effective plant foods for muscle growth and repair. But it does not stop at protein. Morina brings iron for energy, calcium for bones, and antioxidants to fight the inflammation that erodes strength over time. Gentle on digestion, it can be cooked, added to soups, or dried into powder for smoothies. For older adults, morina is not just food, it is a lifeline for muscle health, independence, and vitality. No single food can protect your strength alone. Real resilience comes from variety. Pair these vegetables with beans, nuts, whole grains, lean meats, or fish, and you create a toolbox of nutrients that keeps your body strong, steady, and independent. So let me ask you, which of these powerful vegetables will you be adding to your meals this week? Leave your answer in the comments, I would truly love to know. And before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more life-changing health tips, and share it with someone you care about. Because staying strong after 70 is not about luck, it is about choosing the right foods, one meal at a time.